Hi guys, how are you doing? It's November 22nd. It sounds crazy to me. It's almost December. It's almost Christmas. Not really, but I like Christmas vibe. What food would you like to eat on this Christmas? What's your go-to Christmas dishes? I don't usually eat KFC for Christmas, by the way. It's popular, yeah, for sure, but not for everyone. I like KFC though. If you want to eat KFC for Christmas, on Christmas, which is correct, I don't know. You need to make a reservation in advance. So that's how do I say it? ちょっとめんどくさいよね。How do you say めんどくさい in English? Let me know. Anyway, today I want to talk about my little book update. The first book that I read recently is Ugly Love by Colleen Hoover. She seems to be famous and popular, especially famous for romance novels. Usually I'm not into romance novels. I'm more of mystery, psych thriller, murder crime kind of person when it comes to novels. But some of my favorite YouTubers recommend her books and they seem really like it, so I was getting curious about it. And yeah, I was like, let's try it. Why not? So, and then it was good. It gives me shoujo manga vibe at the beginning. Like the main character fall in love with someone who is a pilot and he's good looking, tall, smart, faithful, but he can't love another person because something happened in the past, something serious, very serious, and he doesn't open up about his past. That's the problem. Maybe it sounds basic or cheesy, but it's not. It's more deeper than I thought it would be, so it was good. Yeah, I like it. If you like romance novels, I highly recommend it. The next book is Verity by Colleen Hoover. This is really good, like really good. It's a psych thriller mixed with romance. You can't put down type of book. The storyline is Author Lowen Ashley finds herself in a peculiar situation when she is asked to finish the books of fellow author Verity Crawford after she is in an accident and comatose. Verity's husband, Jeremy, offers Lowen to stay with them while she reads through Verity's existing manuscripts and gets a feel for the work and writing in order to continue. What Lowen didn't realize is that she'd be living with Verity herself, and then what she discovers in Verity's office, which changes everything. Yeah, it's really creepy and disturbing, shocking, twisted, and the ending is wild. Yeah, I like it. It's similar to The Silent Patient, which is my favorite novel of all time. So yeah, highly recommend it. And currently I'm reading November 9 by Colleen Hoover again because it's November. I don't think I'll finish this book in this month, but it's okay. Honestly, I'm not sure how I feel about it. I think it's romance, maybe young adult romance. And I only read this book probably less than 10% or so. So, yeah, it's not bad at all. It's cute. It gives me much more shoujo manga vibe than Ugly Love. I read tons of shoujo manga when I was in junior high school. My favorite is Kimi ni Todoke. It's so nostalgic. Anyway, yeah, that would be it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Bye.